who?
Blue Bulls. The Blue Bulls?
Oh,
the
Blue
Pretoria
Bulls. I thought you said Blue Balls. That's an interesting name.
It's Blue Bulls there.
Here's the stadium.
Yeah.
Actually, hold on 1 second. Let me. Who's open?
The deck have breakfast as well and everything at the Pretoria Hotel.
Oh, okay.
But then the deck is upstairs.
Oh, so you had Pizza Hut before?
Hey?
Have you had Pizza Hut before?
Oh, but you're silly.
Just checking.
Well, someone doesn't get the pizzas that he wants, you know?
Just checking.
I'm trying to be helpful here.
You
You are just...
So, how's your roommate? Why she didn't come?
Lelo.
Yeah.
She's fine, she's sleeping.
It is 8 o'clock in the morning.
And she's sleeping.
Why?
Because it's weekend and people are tired.
From what?
And church only starts at 10. So it's not a thing. And it was raining. I think that is also... The rain makes you feel like, I don't want to get up. You know. This is brand new, all this year. Yeah, it recently opened. Because it was only the stadium. And then they had all this land here just...
Sitting there?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. So now, it's like little restaurants and shop. It's like a little shopping center.
Oh, okay, it's nice.
It's beautiful. It is very nice. Seattle is open.
Okay.
But I want to like sit down and have your hoolies.
What is this? And where was Lexi's? Where was that?
That was there at
Because Lexi's open, isn't it? Or no?
in check, right?
Everything open late here on the weekends.
Yeah, because we are very relaxed in Pretoria. We don't rush.
Johannesburg the same way?
That's why we are healthy here in Pretoria. Like most healthy people you find in Pretoria.
Yeah, I don't know
Instead of
about all that.
Johannesburg.
I don't know
Because
about all
life is
that.
just
I
life
don't
is just
I don't know about all that saying people are
in
healthy.
Johannesburg, people get up in the morning like this. Let me show you. You know?
No.
Yeah, but that's true.
Because even in
Okay, they
Johannesburg.
open.
What time?
Lexi.
All right, let's go there.
Okay. See, now I have to be treated like I'm also vegan. I'm just getting into it now.
Yeah. Yeah.
As long as I can have an egg benedict and a coffee, I'm good.
You can probably get a coffee. I don't know if it's... Oh, okay. I was about to say, I know
Is
they
your
have...
thing on?
What?
Your camera?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go there. So you can have a view. I wonder, won't they like just take us in the stadium just quickly? Like a sneak peek?
Ask and see.
No?
So do they have markets out here or no?
No.
Oh, so y'all are...
No, they do. The Hazelwood Market. But the Hazelwood Market goes from one place to another place.
Oh, okay. So y'all not civilized like Josie people?
No. We cater for everyone. So this weekend it's going to be in your area, and then the next weekend it's going to be in another area, not Joburg, where it gets congested and then everyone goes like to one market at Rosebank. We don't do those.
But you have the Four Squares, you have the market in Brum.
However, we do have one very hype market there. Let's go check out if we can go into the stadium. We just want to have a view and see.
I know Pretorians think y'all are better, so is the market here just for Africans or... what's the rules here in Pretoria?
No, we don't have rules in Pretoria. That's why everyone is just flocking to Pretoria, because Pretoria has a vibe that Joburg doesn't have.
It does have a vibe here.
Joburg's vibe is keep all your bags closed because you might get robbed.
That is not Joe Berg's bride.
Morning. How are you? Good, thank you. What do we do to get inside? We just want to see the stadium. Hey? No, we want to see the stadium. We want to have a view. Can we do that? Not on weekends.
Oh, okay. Oh,
So we
okay.
can just come and walk in and come and check. Monday to Friday. Not weekends. What's happening today?
Why are you asking so many questions?
You guys have a good, is there a game?
No, it's weekend. Once it's weekend, there's no football. So,
Oh, okay. Oh no, amazing. Okay, we'll come back. Thank you so much. Cool.
See how he gave you the answer and like, why?
Because I want to know.
Because you're nosy.
need to be-
Praetorians are nosy.
No.
Johannesburg people be like,
You just
okay.
have to know
you
why
Monday
you
through
cannot
Friday.
do something so that you don't attempt on doing anything. You know, because I would come on a weekend and I'll be like, no, but you didn't give me a reason not to come.
Well, he said Monday through Friday
No,
only.
that's you guys. We want to be clear. You need to tell me why and why not. I need to have a reason. My goodness. Just not come because someone said no.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't work like that.
But he said Monday through Friday.
Jay.
He gave you the
I
time to
don't
come.
care.
See, that's the problem.
No.
Got a cat. What? Hey, buddy. It's just a cat. Calm down.
That's
Hey,
not a
cutie.
cat.
You okay, baby?
Not a cat.
You okay, baby? Come here. Come on. It's okay.
I told you that's not a cat.
That is a cat.
That's a human being. That's a whole person. This is Africa. You don't just see a black cat and just think it's a cat.
Oh, Lord. Y'all are so like Americans. Oh, black cat. Be cautious. It's a black cat. Shit. Well, here's a black woman. Watch out. Be cautious. Like, come on now.
It's a black cat. You'll think it's a cat. It's a whole human being right there.
Oh, so it's a human being turned himself into a black cat now. It's witchcraft. All right. I mean, I swear y'all Africans are crazy.
Say, you can say Loftus Views.
Huh?
Loftus Views.
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, say stadium.
I know. That's what the Uber say.
And then we need to stand there. I think that's-
Okay, what's the address for
Just say
Lexi's?
Pretoria Hotel then.
What's the address for Lexi's? Is it Hazelwood?
That's one.
Oh, okay.
What was the address
For what?
for here? Stadium.
Stadium.
Mhm.
Why, that's wrong?
Oh, is that wrong? Good morning. You think?
I never ride one, but I love them.
I don't think it's nice. I don't like it.
It's a cruiser from short distance.
Oh, okay.
And how's this dude messaging me and I don't see him?
Who?
He's messaging me, but okay, here we go.
The guy.
Yeah, he was sending me a message, let me know he on his way.
Tell him we're at the gate of, we're at the entrance of the hotel. Right at the gate at the robot. Not traffic lights.
I know.
The robot.
I think y'all are the only people in the world that call them
Yes,
robots.
we do, yes.
Because they're not
Yes.
really robots
Only us.
anymore.
It's only us.
Okay, this might be him. Yeah, that's him.
Okay, he's turning.
Oh, okay. You sure?
It should be.
You never know with the drivers here.
Yeah, we know because like we see each other. You know.
Well, y'all
I
have y'all
recognize you.
y'all have your own way of
Recognize
talking here.
me. Yeah, without even saying a word.